From accepting only college graduates as applicants, the Philippine National Police now wants to open its doors to those with only a high school diploma. These recruits would be called patrol officers with a lower rank than Police Officer 1 or PO1s.
Bigyan natin ng opportunity yung mga kababayan natin na meron naman silang talent but because of the educational attainment, hindi sila nakakapasok. Meron silang intention to serve their country.
The proposal gives graduates of the K-12 program who make the grade to be assigned to internal security operations, crowd control, and disaster response.
Hindi naman siguro kailangan ng college graduate doon. So doon natin muna sila ilalagay. Hopefully itong batas na ito ay malabas para naman yung graduates ng K-12 magkakaroon sila ng chance. Tapos nila yon, meron silang opportunity kaagad na trabaho para sa police force.
Patrol officers who want to be promoted as police officers may finish a college degree while in service.
Then after that, for how many years, mag-aaral sila in service. Tatrabaho ka, may sweldo ka, gamitin mo yung sweldo mo, mag-aaral ka, bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng PNP.
The basic requirements, however, remain. Applicants must be at least 21 and not older than 30 years. He must also pass all tests, including psychological, drug, and agility. Initial monthly salary is 12,900 pesos. The proposal drew mixed reactions.
Kung high school graduate lang, mababa po lang ang pinag-aralan eh. Medyo hindi maganda po.
Yung mga high school graduate, hindi pa sila mentally prepared and physically prepared.
Pwede rin kasi may K-12 ba yun? Tsaka mas maganda yung makakatulong kagad sa pamilya, may trabaho na kagad.
The PNP, however, admits the PNP law must first be amended to make the proposal possible.
Kailangan natin ng amendment doon sa batas. So kung hindi ma-amend yung batas, then we will continue recruiting college graduates.
In 2013, Senator Grace Poe filed Senate Bill 1239, allowing children from poor families to join the police force. A similar bill was filed in the House of Representatives by Congressman Leopoldo Batawil, which says that only those who have completed at least 2 years of college qualify to be a police officer.
Parang similar na yata yung magiging equivalent, yung attainment mo, educational attainment mo nung yung 72 units today and K-12 the years to come, parang ganun yata. So, i-harmonize siya.
At present, the PNP needs about 5,000 new police officers, including 4,000 PO1s. Ivy Saunar, CNN Philippines.